Today's record jump in new cases brings the total reported by the state to more than 70,000. But tonight, CBS 17 digital data reporter JOEDY McCreary is digging deeper into a new projection, and it suggests that even more people might have had the virus than we thought.
A team of local experts projects there are way more people with COVID-19 than the state knows about, up to 7 times as many. Researchers from UNC and NC State have published a new website, and at nccovid.org, they list breakdowns of how many active infections there are, along with how many of those people could infect others. They estimate that since March, nearly 500,000 people in the state have been infected. That's about 5% of the total population, and about 7 times more than the number of cases reported to the state. I spoke to Paul DELAMATER. He studies the spread of diseases at UNC, and he's part of the team that runs the website. He says the cases listed by DHHS are lab confirmed. That means they were found with tests.
That testing is not capturing all the people who have been infected with coronavirus. And I really was not finding any information or any estimates about how many people right now have coronavirus or are actively infectious in my state.
They also forecast the totals for 2 weeks in advance. And with the virus still spreading, they predict a big jump by the middle of July. How big? Find out at CBS17.com.